Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make your intro video. So in this way you can easily create your intro video. With use of intro video you can make your video more beautiful. So without wasting your time, I'm going to show you how you can make your intro video. So I'm going to open this website. It's called rainforest.com. After this, we need to choose a template from here. There are free and paid template is available. This one is paid actually, premium template. And this one, and this one also free. So I'm going to use free template to make our video. I'm going to choose this one. After that, I'm going to click on create now. From here, we need to add our logo, and here we need to add some text. So first I'm going to add my logo. We need to drag and drop our file from here. So you can see my logo from here. I need to insert this logo. After that, I'm write my channel name. If you have any description, then you can write in here. Now I'm going to click on preview. It shows our final result. It's rendering our intro. Now I'm going to click on play.
I'm ready to also that element on.
So guys, you can see our intro is ready for export. Now I'm going to export my intro. I'm going to click on free export. So it's exporting my video. So guys, in this way you can create your intro video. Now I'm going to show you the second website. I'm going to show you how you can create your intro with Canva. So open Canva and create a YouTube intro. Here you can see many intro. It's a free template. You can use it to your intro. So I'm going to select this one and I'm going to customize this. You can apply 3 pages or you can use 1 pages. So I'm going to apply 3 pages. If I don't like any pages, then I can easily delete this. So I'm going to change this font. And this is our first page. And if you want to edit this, you can also edit this. So I'm going to copy this. If you're happy, then you can easily download this from here. But if you want to change this template or you want to use another template for your intro, then go in here and choose another template. I'm going to choose this one. So I'm going to replace current pages. Now I'm going to select this. I'm going to change this font. So I'm going to play my intro video. So I'm going to delete this first and third page. Play again. Now you see it's created a very beautiful intro for my video. So I can easily download this from share, go to download and click on download. You can also change your file format. So I'm going to use MP4 video and click on download. You can choose this template and you can know which template is best fit for your video. So I'm going to download this file. Now I see my intro video. So guys, in this way you can easily create your intro video for your YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you learned something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.